This has been fun so far, but boy, wouldn't it be easier just to draw a few circles instead? You get the idea. Do I really have to finish the whole thing?
What if we could make a new plan that's even more fun?
This plan is solid. Why change it?
Welcome to Art Lessons with the Dream Keepers.
Tell everyone what you do, Happy Thoughts.
I keep everyone feeling motivated and inspired.
And hard work. What's your job?
To help you have fun and just be chill.
Nope, that's also my job.
So true. Try again.
Fine, I do the work. Just the work.
That's more like it. Let's get started. Today we're going to draw a blobfish eating mashed potatoes in a ball pit.
When we need some help, we'll peek inside the Dream Keepers book. There's always a little magic waiting in there. Are you ready?
Woohoo! Here we go! Let's do this! Oh boy!
Let's go!
Today we're going to draw a blobfish. Let's spell the word first. B L O B F I S H. Blobfish is one word, but it's a compound word, which means that it's made out of two words stuck together, blob and fish. I'm imagining a very silly blobfish who is eating mashed potatoes while playing in a ball pit. Can you see it? To get started, draw an oval, blobby sort of shape right here. On one side, make it a little bit pointy.
You can fix things later. Right now, just keep going.
And then erase the oval on that side. Make two lines that stick out with a wavy line connecting them for the tail fin. Add some detail. Over here, make a big circle. And this is for the blobfish's nose. Going through the bottom of this circle, I'm going to make a frowny line. And then erase the part of that line that goes through the circle, because that's behind the nose. Then erase this part of the circle. So it starts here and ends there.
New ideas are fun! So much to explore.
Now we're going to trace around this big frowny shape, starting on this side of the nose and ending up on this side. You know, if I were a blobfish and eating some mashed potatoes, I'd be smiling. So I'm going to erase a little bit on the ends and just make that curl up a little bit. A little smile. Next, draw the eyes. Two big circles. And then we're going to make a little circle on the inside. Draw a fin that sticks out here. And another fin that sticks out right here. Erase the lines on the inside of that. And then add some detail lines.
No stress, no pressure. Just try your best. I like best, but does that mean we can't make it awesome? If we believe in our hearts that we're getting closer to our dreams, then every step forward is a reason to smile. That's really nice. I'm still going with awesome.
Here's the really fun part. We get to draw some mashed potatoes. It's just kind of a wavy sort of line all around the blobfish. Oh, and some coming out of the mouth. And then erase the mouth line inside of that. You can make some more wavy lines inside of the mashed potatoes. Now to draw the ball pit, start with, along the top here, we're going to draw a few circles.
Hard work shows up in every line you draw. Keep at it.
Okay, and then connect those with sort of a bumpy line. So that's the top. Now all we have to do is fill in the rest with more circles. Okay, here we go. There is still a lot of room here. We have a long way to go. This has been fun so far, but boy, wouldn't it be easier just to draw a few circles instead? You get the idea. Do I really have to finish the whole thing?
What if we could make a new plan that's even more fun? This plan is solid. Why change it?
I think the Dreamkeeper's book could help us here. Happy thoughts and hard work have started a journey to guide the little star to its home. Let's turn to the page with the bubbles. There might be surprises along the way.
Ah! What's that? Ooh, bubbles!
And this could take you in the wrong direction. There goes Happy Thoughts, chasing the bubbles to this very fun-looking place called Distraction Attraction. Hard work says,
Hello? Aren't you forgetting someone?
the poor little star is so sad. Will he ever get home? I think this is reminding us that if we just do easy and fun things, then the really big and important things won't get done.
Oh, I do love bubbles, but I get it. Focus will help us reach the goal. Exactly. The goal is what counts. Let's stay on track and get it done.
It will be more work here, but getting the job done right, that matters. Let's get back to it. Draw some of the circles overlapping the mashed potatoes, and then erase the line on the inside.
See if you can focus super hard on what you're doing right now. You're not just drawing, you're training your brain.
Some of the circles can look like they are underneath the mashed potatoes. Add a few more bumps like this just to make sure that it looks like this ball pit is really full. Phew, there we go. Are you still with me? Awesome, because this is a big, important piece of art, and we're getting it done right.
No halfway. Give it everything you've got.
The next step is to trace over the edges with the marker.
Do your very best. That's what matters.
Wow, this is so much work, but look at that, we're getting close to the end. Almost done with tracing all of these circles. But hey, look how fun. It was totally worth it. After the marker is nice and dry, erase any extra pencil lines. Okay, here we go. The next step is to color it in. It is going to be a lot of work to color in all of these circles, but wow, I think it's going to be worth it. It's looking pretty good already.
Look at you go. This is how we get things done.
You can get creative with the color that's around the outside of all the circles. Mix up your colors like this.
Creative surprises make things exciting. Totally, but focus and attention will turn them into something great.
This is a pretty silly picture, isn't it? Could you imagine if this was part of a story? What happened before this? Why is the blobfish in a ball pit? And why eating mashed potatoes? And what do you think happens next?
Your dreams matter. Do the work to make them real.
If you would like to share your art or your ideas with me, please use the hashtag DreamKeepersArt so I can find it. I would love to see your art and hear your ideas about the story. And there it is, a blobfish eating mashed potatoes in a ball pit. Let's practice reading the word blobfish one more time. What letter does blobfish start with? B. What's next? L, O, B, F, I, S, H. Blobfish. We did it. We got the job done right.
You rock! Excellent.
Thanks for drawing with us today. Are you proud of the art you made?
What's one thing you love about your drawing? Hold on to that happy thought. Now, find one thing to improve next time. That's how you level up.
Remember, every great artist started just like you. Keep practicing and keep believing. See you next time.
Later, dudes. Zippity zap. I'm out.
To get the Dreamkeepers book or schedule an author-illustrator visit to your school, check out my website, ahcreations.com.